Hi guys, this is Sila from Gadget Bridge, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, press that red button followed by the bell icon. This way you'll see our videos first. The nominations phase is over and now it's time to announce the winners of Gadget Bridge Awards 2020. These are our second ever awards for tech and gadgets. So let's get started. 2020 was a very unusual year. While in the lockdown, those months were completely dead and we did not see any gadget launch. After that, there was a flurry of gadgets launched and we saw some really amazing cool gadgets coming our ways, from televisions to laptops to mobile phones and whatnot. Yes, we were overwhelmed in some months with the sudden inflow of gadgets, but we took it up as a challenge and we powered through. We thank you, the readers, the viewers and the listeners, for voting in those two categories, the People's Choice Smartphone and the People's Choice Gadget of the Year 2020, where you voted and two lucky winners are gonna win that giveaway. Thousands of you came in and voted on our Twitter handle and the voting forums, and the winners you already know, but we are gonna talk about them in this award video as well. There are over 20 categories catering to audio, video, smartphones, laptops, televisions. So let's get started and see who the winners are. The first category is Smartphone of the Year 2020. This is by far the toughest and the toughest category when it comes to smartphones. We retested some of the features of these neat little smartphones to understand which one will be the winner. And the winner of Smartphone of the Year 2020 is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's hear what Samsung has to say.
Thank you guys for giving us the Smartphone of the Year for Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G series. With Galaxy Note 20, we have redefined the way you work. It is no more work from home, it is work from Note. Enjoy it.
Next category is Camera Phone of the Year 2020. Now this year, a flurry of smartphones with great to mediocre cameras got launched in India. We tinkered around with them, we played with them, and yes, this is one of my favorite categories when it comes to smartphones. Let's see who the winner is. The winner of the Camera Phone of the Year 2020 is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's hear what Samsung has to say.
Thank you guys for giving us Camera Phone of the Year. Camera is my favorite aspect, and I'm sure like me, you will be loving clicking picture with Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Thank you.
Next one is Budget Smartphone of the Year 2020. Now this is the most brutal classifications of smartphones in our country. Every year, thousands and thousands of smartphones get launched in this category, and for us, the choice is very, very difficult. We sifted through and found the top 5, and this one has won this category. The winner of the Budget Smartphone of the Year 2020 is Redmi 9 Prime. Let's see what Redmi has to say.
Hello everyone, I'm Sneha and I lead the Redmi business for Xiaomi in India. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Gadget Bridge for giving the Redmi 9 Prime the best budget smartphone of the year. With the Redmi 9 Prime, we've tried to achieve the prime all-rounder for all our Mi fans, and this award is a testament to our success. A big thank you to you guys and all our Mi fans for all the love and support. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Another one of my favorite category is Gaming Smartphone of the Year 2020. Now gaming smartphones became a way of life. We were all stuck at home doing absolutely nothing, and gaming entertained us. Last year, Asus ROG Phone 2 won. Let's see who has won this category this time around. No points for guessing. The winner of the Gaming Smartphone of the Year 2020 is Asus ROG Phone 3. And let's see what Asus has to say.
Hi everyone, I'm Dinesh. I lead the smartphone and commercial PC vertical at Asus India. On behalf of Team Asus, I would like to express a sincere thanks and appreciation to the jury, Gadget Bridge team and Sulabh for giving ROG Phone 3 the honor and recognition of Best Gaming Smartphone of 2020. We assure all of you that we'll continue to put in our best effort to create more delightful experiences on the ROG Phone series, on the current series as well as the future one. Have a great Christmas and New Year. Thank you.
Next category is Mid-Range Smartphone of the Year 2020. Now this was a tough decision for us, as two smartphones, the Vivo one and the OnePlus one, had 50-50 votes. But in the end, one feature tipped the other one. Who is the winner? Let's see. The winner of mid-range smartphone of the year 2020 is Vivo V20 Pro.
Thank you Gadget Bridge for choosing Vivo V20 Pro as the mid-range smartphone of the year 2020. It's a great privilege and an honor to be given this award. We make the Vivo V20 series with great insights, focusing on the camera and the design. And today getting this award is certainly a testament, a proof that all the hard work that our engineers, our product managers had put in, other consumers have liked the product. So thank you once again for choosing Vivo V20 Pro as the mid-range smartphone of the year.
Now let's move on to the People's Choice. The first one is People's Choice Smartphone of the Year 2020. You voted and this one won. The winner of People's Choice Smartphone of the Year 2020 is Apple iPhone 12 Pro. The second one in the People's Choice category is Gadget of the Year 2020. Again, you guys voted in hundreds and this particular gadget won. The winner of the People's Choice Gadget of the Year 2020 is Apple iPad Pro 2020. Now we are all about gadgets and a lot of cool gadgets made it to the top of our list. However, this one had a slight edge. This has become better over time. Let's see who has won this category. The winner of the Gadget of the Year 2020 is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. And let's hear what Samsung has to say.
Thank you guys for giving us Gadget of the Year. This is really special. I thank the jury and Gadget Bridge team for giving us this award. Galaxy Z Fold 2 is not only unfolding a new chapter of technology, it's unfolding newer possibilities. Enjoy it.
Now let's move on to the Hatke category, which basically means different. The first one is Hatke Gadget of the Year 2020 when it comes to design, and the winner of Hatke Gadget of the Year 2020 design is Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. Let's see what Asus has to say.
Hi, this is Arnold Su. I'm the business head for consumer and gaming PC in System Business Group, Asus India. I would sincerely thank Gadget Bridge for choosing Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. Gadget Bridge, Hatke Gadget of the Year, Design 2020.
The next one is Hatke Gadget of the Year 2020 when it comes to its performance and utility value. Yes, high performance and high utility value. Who has won this segment? Let's check it out. The winner of Hatke Gadget of the Year 2020 Performance and Utility is Apple iPhone 12 Pro. Now let's move on to the laptop segment. This one is Laptop of the Year 2020. Now this year the demand rose by leaps and bounds. We saw an influx of laptops coming into India because of the pandemic. A lot of people were working from home and they required a machine that will help them out on a daily basis. Who has won this category? Let's see. The winner of the Laptop of the Year 2020 is Acer Swift 3X. Let's see what Acer has to say.
It's a great honor for us to end the year with such a fantastic award for Swift 3X. Gadget Bridge Award is one of the most industry-leading awards for technology, and this win really is a great way to end the year for us. We always believe in bringing products which break barriers between people and technology, and get the best to market first. And Swift 3X really embodied that. First to market Intel Iris Xe Max graphics card, powerful 11th gen Intel Core i7 processor, really thin metal body. All of it just makes it a great package, and I'm thrilled that we are able to win this award amidst really tough competition.
The next one is Gaming Laptop of the Year 2020. Now last year Asus won this category, and this year a lot of great contenders by Asus, Acer and a lot of other players like Dell and HP also came in. This category was on fire because a lot of people started to game a lot when they were just in lockdown or sitting idle at home. Yes, this is Gaming Laptop of the Year 2020 and the winner of Gaming Laptop of the Year 2020 is Asus ROG Zephyrus G14.
I would sincerely thank Gadget Bridge for choosing Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 as Gadget Bridge's Gaming Laptop of the Year 2020. India is an important market for us, and we keep taking our customers and gamers' feedback to understand and bring laptop as per their requirement. Once again, thank you to Gadget Bridge for this recognition.
Next one is Tablet of the Year 2020. Now this category also grew because a lot of people were again sitting at home idle or working from home, or they started studying from home. These were required for online classes or for a regular Zoom call. So which one has won the tablet of the year 2020? Let's see. The winner of the tablet of the year 2020 is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. Let's hear what Samsung has to say.
Thank you, Sulabh and the team at Gadget Bridge for this award, the tablet of the year 2020. This is for Tab S7, the perfect companion for work, play, and more. Thank you very much again.
The Idiot Box isn't an idiot anymore. The television is more like a family member who keeps you entertained all the time, more so during lockdown or when you're stuck at home. Who has won this category? Let's see. The winner of TV of the year 2020 is Samsung Frame TV. And let's see what Samsung has to say.
Thank you, Team Gadget Bridge, for choosing the Frame as TV of the year 2020, a must-have for luxury spaces. The Frame truly enhances the aesthetics while delivering superior picture quality. This award is a testament to our innovation where technology meets stunning design. Thank you.
Moving on to the home improvement gadget of the year 2020. Now these are those gadgets that help you elevate your style of living or help you in your daily chores at home. Who won this category? Let's see. The winner of the home improvement device of the year 2020 is Amazon Echo Show 8.
Hello everyone, I'm Parag Gupta. I'm the country manager for Amazon devices in India. We are thrilled to find out that our device Echo Show 8 has won Gadget Bridge Home Improvement Device of the Year. It has an 8-inch HD screen and stereo audio, which makes it perfect to enjoy with your family. You can sing along your favorite songs with on-screen lyrics, follow step-by-step recipe instructions in your kitchen, or just keep your kids engaged with nursery rhymes. What's more, you can even watch your favorite TV shows and movies now on Echo Show 8. Thanks a lot, Gadget Bridge, for this recognition. Wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year.
Moving on, this one is Smartwatch of the year 2020. Like we've said before, this year we saw better, faster and longer lasting smartwatches in the country. Who has won this category? Let's see. The winner of the Smartwatch of the year 2020 is Apple Watch Series 6. Next category is Fitness Wearable of the year 2020. Now this is a very popular category in India which was flooded throughout the year except those 3 months of lockdown. We saw a flurry of branded and non-branded wearables coming into India, and for us the criteria was simple. Which one gives you the best bang for buck with the maximum amount of features? And this one prevailed through. The winner of the Fitness Wearable of the year 2020 is Fitbit Charge 4. Let's see what Fitbit India has to say.
On behalf of all of us at Fitbit, I would like to thank the Gadget Bridge team, jury, and our friends who took time out to vote Charge 4 as the fitness wearable of the year. Charge 4, coupled with Fitbit Premium, is part of our pursuit to make products and service ecosystem that helps in managing holistic health and wellness of our users. Recognitions like these motivate us to strive harder to provide our users with the best-in-class innovation through our products and services. Thank you.
Moving on to the audio category, the first one is Headphones of the year 2020. A lot of cool ANC devices came into the market this year. The choice was hard for us, but in the end, it became simple because of one feature. Which one gives you the best ANC? And this one won this category. The winner of the Headphones of the year 2020 is Sony WH-1000 XM4. Let's hear what Sony has to say.
Hello everyone. We are delighted to announce that we have won the Gadget Bridge Headphone of the Year 2020 for Sony WH-1000X Mark IV. Getting nominated and winning the award has been a pleasure for us. We thank all the jury members and everyone who have voted for Sony WH-1000X Mark IV. Thank you.
Next one is Wireless Earphones of the year 2020. Now this was another segment that grew exponentially during the year 2020. Everyone from Oppo, Vivo and OnePlus brought their own wireless earphones into the country. Who has won? Let's see. The winner of the Wireless Earphones of the year 2020 is Sony WF-XB700.
Hello everyone. We are delighted to announce that we have won the Gadget Bridge Wireless Earphones of the Year 2020 for Sony WF-XB700. Getting nominated and winning the award has been special for us. We thank all the jury members and everyone who have voted for our product. Thank you.
The next category is Bluetooth Speaker of the year 2020. Now this segment was not on fire like it was in 2019, but we did see some really cool speakers coming to India this time around. Who has won this category? Let's find out. The winner of Bluetooth Speaker of the Year 2020 is LG Xboom Pro PL7. Next category is Streaming Service of the Year 2020. Every OTT player amped up their game because everybody was sitting at home and they were going to entertainment devices like the television or to OTT platforms like Netflix, Hotstar, and streaming services like Amazon Prime. Yes, this was a category on fire this year too. Who has won? Let's see. The winner of Streaming Service of the Year 2020 is Netflix. The next and the final category of Gadget Bridge Awards 2020 is Camera of the Year 2020. Now these are those gadgets that help you capture memories, whether in the form of moving or non-moving pictures. Who has won this category? Let's find out. The winner of the Camera of the Year 2020 is Canon EOS R5. Let's hear what Canon has to say.
We're delighted to end this year on a positive note by winning Gadget Bridge Camera of the Year award for Canon EOS R5. This is a true reflection of our customer voice and gives us immense confidence of our future products. Thank you, Gadget Bridge, for recognizing us even in these testing times. Gives us a lot of confidence, and our commitment to our customers and all our stakeholders is to bring in the best going forward as well. Thank you, and wishing all of you a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Again, congratulations to all the winners. You deserve every bit of it. And guys, if you did like the video, go ahead and share it, like it, and subscribe to our channel and keep on watching Gadget Bridge. My name is Sulabh. I'll see you next time.